This is a 2014 Chevrolet Cruze. This car has a 6-speed automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include heated seats, Chevrolet MyLink, XM satellite radio, alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped shift knob, front side impact airbags, a rear window defroster, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has less than 24,000 miles. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
We buy trades for more at Wallace Chevrolet. All trade-ins and all credit applications are accepted. We're located approximately 20 minutes from Palm Beach and St. Lucie County. For more information, please visit our website or come by to see the largest vehicle inventory on the Treasure Coast. We look forward to serving you.